Go, 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 go. Okay, okay. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you. Hi. Go over there first. Okay, so I can explain something. This one, you're a little bit too aggressive. Did you know that? You're an aggressive deer. Hi, welcome to Japan by Food. I'm your host, Shizuka Anderson. Today I'm in Nara City, which is widely known to many as the City of Deer. And today I'm standing in front of the beautiful Todaiji Temple, and I'm going to be exploring the city and seeing what kind of delicious foods they have to eat here, including meeting someone who is known by many on the internet as the world's fastest mochi maker. So let's go explore Nara City. Todaiji is one of Japan's most famous and most historically significant temples, and until recently it actually held the world record as the world's largest wooden building. But this was actually rebuilt in the 1600s, and the original structure was about a third larger than this. So that is really, really remarkable. I am here now in front of the Kasuga Shrine, which was founded here in the year 768, and it's known for its abundance in deer. Legend has it that the deity enshrined right here actually rode to Nara from Ibaraki Prefecture on a white deer, and that's the reason why deer here are considered sacred and have been protected here for the last 1,300 years. This is the only place in the world where wild deer, wild mammals, are actually living in harmony with people at such a close proximity. The deer here at the Kasuga Shrine are actually known to bow. It's a very Japanese custom that they seem to have picked up. I think they do it for treats, but let's see if she'll bow to me. Konnichiwa. 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 Oh, she stopped bowing. Bow, yes. Good, what a good deer. Next, I'm here checking out Daibutsu Ichigo, which literally translates to Big Buddha Statue Strawberry. Nara is famous for their Kotoka strawberries, so I'm gonna try their Kotoka Strawberry Parfait, topped with a little cute Nara deer on top. Oh dear, it's so cute. The strawberry smells so good. Sorry, it looks really messy, but it also looks really tasty. Those strawberries are really, really sweet. Japan is known for their high quality strawberries, and that is one of them. I actually feel really bad eating this deer. Sorry, deer. Here you go. Really classic tasting biscuit. It goes really nice with ice cream. I have just arrived at a local sweet shop right next to Kintetsu Nara Station called Pippi, and it's a really popular sweet shop around this area, and they're known for their delicious sweet potato desserts. So let's go inside and give it a try. I'm going to be getting their most popular item, which is their 1mm silk thread-like strings of sweet potato on ice cream, and it's going to be really delicious and beautiful. Oh, oishishou! Arigatou gozaimasu! Sugoi kirei. Let's go outside and eat it. Here we go! This looks like a really tasty sweet potato. Itadakimasu! I am a fan. If you've ever had Mont Blanc before, it is like kind of a chestnut paste that's been shredded, and the texture is very similar, and the richness is very similar as well. Uh-oh, it's melting. But what's different is the sweetness. The natural sweetness of the sweet potato is remarkable. It goes really well with the creamy whipped cream and the vanilla ice cream. Very decadent. And I'm gonna get one more item here. This is their crème brûlée sweet potato. It looks really good. Let's crack it. Oh, nice! Tantalizing sweet potato, custardy, crème brûlée goodness. Wow! Not only is the custard on top adding to the creaminess, the actual meat of the sweet potato is really melty It's almost like a custard itself, and it's golden in color, and it's naturally very sweet. Here we are now at Kakinohazushi. This is a sushi shop with a 160-year history, and it's said that the flavor has been preserved since 160 years ago, so it should taste exactly like it used to. And a really interesting fact about the leaf that it's wrapped in. This is a persimmon leaf. It's apparently said to help preserve the sushi for a longer time as well, so that's why they use that. So let's give it a try. How pretty is that? This is the saba, or the mackerel sushi. Let's give it a try. You can eat it with your hands, or you can even eat it by just holding it in the leaf, is what I was told. And it looks really pretty. So let's give it a try. Itadakimasu. Oh my goodness, that's so interesting. The taste is salty and a little bit sour, so that pickled smell that I was picking up makes a lot of sense when you eat it. It tastes a little bit like pickled fish, and that's what traditional sushi used to taste like, because fish wouldn't last that long if you ate it out, if it was completely raw. So this is really a taste of history, and it's very nice. I like it. The conger eel looks really good. Let's take it a go. I have just arrived at Nakatanidou, which is a local mochi shop right here in Nara, which became really popular, especially several years ago when a video of the mochi maker went super viral because he made mochi really fast. And it was quite remarkable to watch. So today I'm really excited to get a chance to see that happen in person and hear a little bit about what it takes to become the world's fastest mochi maker.
私の生まれたところ、奈良県吉野郡上北山村っていうところなんですが、そこではね、このお餅のつき方をするんですよ。これは私が考えたとかそういうことではなくて、はい、昔から伝わってるお餅つきなんです。これもね、パフォーマンスといいますか、ショー的なものではなくて、お餅が熱いうちにしっかりついて、熱いうちに仕上げてしまう。そうすると冷めてからでもよく伸びてですね、滑らかな美味しいお餅が出来上がるんです。今60歳で、あと30年90歳までもやりたいなと、はい、それが目標。コロナも落ち着いてくると、また外国の方、いろんな国から来ていただけると思いますけど、はい、まあ一人でも多くこのお餅つきを見ていただいて、またお餅を食べていただく、はい、これを楽しみにしております。
All right, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's try their award-winning mochi that is adored in this area. And also, it's just the most famous mochi probably in Japan and the world at this point. So here we go. Itadakimasu. That is so good. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this might actually be the best mochi I've ever had. I'm not exaggerating. The reason is because it's so fresh. It was just made before my eyes. So the mochi is so soft and pillowy. It's also really filled to the brim with red bean paste. They're very generous with the filling. And the kinako soybean powder on top really just tops the rice cake, if you will. If you are a mochi fan, this is the place you want to come for the freshest, softest mochi ever. Today was such a fun day here in Nara City, and I really enjoyed getting to see all of the beautiful deer, and of course, not to mention all of the wonderful foods that I had today. All right, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys again very soon in another video. Bye, guys!